Sure, he's into Afro sheen, but I like doing my own thing. Blendz Botanicals is great for hair that's natural, curly, coily, locked, even braids. I always start my day with a mist of Blendz Botanicals. I don't worry about my locks looking dry with Blendz Botanicals on my side. And if there's a problem with itchiness or flakes, the therapy of aloe has got what it takes. When I want my locks to say alright, Loc Juice makes it a breeze to dive deep. And the 7 herbal blend oil adds that extra touch in the growth in my hair that he loves so much. I may change my hair frequency frequently, but change from Blendz Botanicals, not me. Blendz Botanicals for all your hair needs.